Friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Sheryl and I love decorating with style on a budget while trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you are into home decor and home decorating all on a budget, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Now today I thought I would share with you a very simple kitchen vignette. And this video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by two wonderful ladies here on YouTube. Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan and Leona from Ebony and Time. And they have asked us to put together a vignette for Christmas for our kitchen island. And this is what I have come up with. It's very simple, very modern, but yet elegant. So I got a new tray this year. This tray is from Pottery Barn. It is a little expensive. It was a splurge, but I absolutely love it and it fits perfectly here on the island. It will last me for years to come because it is made of metal. Pottery Barn is having a sale, so you may be able to catch it on sale for a little less, but I would highly recommend it. I absolutely love it. Now, for the budget-friendly part, you guys know I love doing a good DIY, and when I saw these candlesticks on CB2, I had to have them. I loved the design, but I did not want to pay the price. I'm sure you're thinking, yeah, but you paid like $100 for your tray. But yes, it's metal, whereas these are glass and breakable. So I didn't want to invest the money in that. So I thought I could create the look for less. So these are simple canisters that I have picked up from the Dollar Tree. These two little ones came from the Dollar Tree. This taller one came from the Goodwill and it was 99 cents. And what I have done is put them together to give me a similar look as the ones that I saw on CB2. And I think it has given me that total vibe and aesthetic that I was going for, and it cost me a lot less. So each candle was, or candle holder was $1. I picked up my candles from Amazon and I want to say they were like, I don't know, $10 or so. I don't remember. And I got these little candle holders. They're little glass candle holders that can hold a candle just by themselves, like so. But I got them to go on top of these candle holders to give me that look that I was going for from CB2. And I totally love this look. I have paired with it some greenery that I picked up from Michael's, also on sale. You guys know I try to buy items on sale as much as possible, except when I find something that I really love and think that it will sell out, so I'll go ahead and buy it early. Now, the perfect find for me were these little glass trees, these mercury glass trees, excuse me. I picked these up, guess where? The Target dollar spot, and they look so high-end, so expensive, and I only paid $5 for this little tree. They have two designs, but I'm only going to show you this one today if I can get it turned on. There we go. Hard to do with one hand, but look how pretty this looks. Oh, so pretty. And perfect for this vignette for my kitchen island. I absolutely love it. And you guys know my theme for this year are nutcrackers and deer. So I wanted to bring the deer aspect into this vignette. So I am using this simple vignette. This is actually a salt shaker. It comes with the salt and pepper. These are from the old Pier 1 many years ago. And I absolutely love him. I have deer similar to this that I picked up from the Dollar Tree also many years ago that are napkin rings. And I'm gonna have to see if I can find those, but I thought this was so pretty and would be perfect here for this little vignette. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my simple yet elegant island vignette. I absolutely love it, and I hope you do as well. If today's video has inspired you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not yet a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so love it if you would join the family and join me on my YouTube journey. So I am almost at 5,000 subscribers. It's taken a minute, but we're getting there, guys. And I appreciate so much all your support. And if you could help me reach the 5,000 subscriber mark by Christmas, I would so love it. That would be your Christmas gift from you to me, and it didn't cost you anything but a click of the button. So I will leave a link for Denise's channel and Leona's channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. Go check out everyone's videos. You are sure to get tons of Christmas vignette inspiration, and I hope to see you in the next one.